This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Gavin Pavlock. Grade 2 unit rental property with lots of new renovations. Lower unit is currently renting at $800 a month and upper unit is renting at $900 a month. Both apartments have separate gas meters and share an electric meter. Rent covers water and electric, renter pays gas bill. The attached driveway offers off-street parking for each unit. Pictures of the upstairs will be updated in the coming weeks as they were from 2 months ago. For more information, review the details below or contact Gavin Pavlock at 716-708-3209.